Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to empty trash on the VIVO X300. So basically, if you deleted some files, videos or photos recently and you want to make sure they're deleted temporarily, I'll show you how to do it. So on your phone, find the file manager and then find the recently deleted, open it up, click on this button right here, choose the files you want to delete temporarily and just click delete, permanently delete, and now your trash is empty. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.